putting out there. If you want your channel to grow, you need to let YouTube be who picks who your audience is going to be. That's why it's very important when you're starting a channel to make sure that you have your thumbnail, that it's clear. So you are over 40 years old and you decided you are going to start a YouTube channel. So I'm gonna start a YouTube channel and I'm going to tell my brothers, my sisters, my cousins, my aunts, my grandpa, my grandma. I'm telling every friend I have from work, from school, I am telling everybody so they'll subscribe and my channel is going to grow and it's going to be wonderful. And here I tell you, don't do it. Do not tell anyone in your family that you're starting a YouTube channel and for them to subscribe to your YouTube channel. If you want to kill your channel right from the beginning, tell everybody you know you're starting a YouTube channel. And the reason is they're going to go in there and they're going to see what you provided in the content you made and they'll subscribe, sure. But the thing is, these people, they all have different things that they like. And although you will have maybe, I don't know, 25, 30, 40 subscribers because you told them you were starting a YouTube channel, the reality is these people most likely are not in tune with what you're trying to convey to people on the niche that you decided you were going to do your YouTube channel on. So what it's going to happen is the YouTube algorithm is going to look at all these people and he's going to realize that not one is really coming back to your channel. So the algorithm is going to think, you know, he's got 25, 50 subscribers, but nobody cares about what he's doing because they came once, maybe twice, and then they never came back. So what do you want to do when you start a channel? You want to let YouTube tell you who your audience is going to be. When you let YouTube algorithm select the people that are going to watch your content based on your content. See, the algorithm is going to go and it's going to look at your thumbnail. It's going to look at all your keywords. It's going to look at your content because they will transcript what your content is. So the algorithm knows what you're talking about, and the algorithm is going to go out there everywhere looking for people that match the things that you're talking about, and that's what they want to hear. So your YouTube channel will have the consistency of having an audience that it's in tune with what you are putting out there. If you want your channel to grow, you need to let YouTube be who picks who your audience is going to be. That's why it's very important when you're starting a channel to make sure that you have your thumbnail, that it's clear, that people can look at that thumbnail and understand what you're trying to talk about in that video. You need to have the content of that video very clear. Like today in this video, I am telling you about what not to do when it comes to getting your channel to grow. And I'm letting you know, do not tell anyone in your family, do not tell friends, do not tell anyone in your circle, because those people are not really going to help you. They're just going to make it harder for the channel to grow. Let YouTube decide who's going to let you grow. And the algorithm is going to know. When the algorithm seeks people, they'll pick the people that are interested in the same things you're talking about. So I hope this video has helped you in one of the things that most people make mistake, which is telling everyone they're starting a YouTube channel. Those subscribers are really not gonna help you. Focus on making good content. Focus on making sure you're getting what you want to tell people in an honest way, in a casual way. Look, I'm right now driving my vehicle on the highway. Let me show you some of the scenery here in Puerto Rico. So I'm driving through the highway, looking at the mountains, looking at the trees, but I'm also doing this video because I want you guys to succeed. As you know, I have another channel that has over 80,000 subscribers. You need to focus on getting subscribers because YouTube brought them to you. So do good content, be yourself. Don't worry about telling anyone in your family about your YouTube channel. Worry about making good content, having a good thumbnail, and I will be teaching you in other videos about the thumbnail, about making sure that your content is properly presented. Also, I will be speaking about the description area and the things that you should put on the description of your video. I will put some things on the description of this video. Some of these descriptions will be also
La Pista Luis A. Ferrell, Puerto Rico 52, which saves 2 minutes.
Well, there was the GPS telling me where to go. This is a very organic video, and you're watching it. I don't have anything fancy here. All I have is my camera, the microphone, and myself. You will enjoy making YouTube videos, and you will have succeeded if you follow these instructions. Don't tell anyone in your family. Get your videos out there. Let YouTube pick your audience. You'll see that you will grow an audience that's going to be there for you, because remember, whatever your niche is, the main thing in the niche is that you are the niche. People are coming back because of you. So this is Dr. Freddy Didier, and this is Aging with Purpose. See you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.